Your property tax bill is either about to surprise you or it's already freaking you out. Either way, stick around because I'm going to break down exactly what your property taxes are, how they're calculated, how your home's value was determined, what you can do to fight it if you think that it's wrong. So let's begin with what are property taxes. Property taxes are what you pay to fund a local government, your schools, fire department, roads, law enforcement. Knox County used roughly 12,000 qualified sales from across the county to set values. They look at what homes actually sold for in your neighborhood, then they applied that to your home. So here's the formula. The current Knox County tax rate is 1.554 per $100 of assessed value. So if your appraised value is $400,000, your assessed value is $100,000. You multiply that by 0.01554. That gives you your current county tax bill. Here's what most people don't understand, and it's the single biggest thing that I want you to hear. If your home's assessed value went up 40%, your tax bill will be almost exactly the same as last year. Why? Because when assessments go up countywide, the state requires the county to bring its tax rate down to stay revenue neutral. They can't profit from a reappraisal. Again, hear that again. They can't profit from a reappraisal. The rate dropped from $2.12 down to $1.55 back in 2022. That's the mechanism. In fact, Knox County Assessor Phil Ballard has stated that he believes that the new tax rate will drop from $1.55 per $100 all the way down to 96 cents per $100. So let's talk about how you can calculate your own tax bill right now with two numbers from your assessment notice. We'll go with what Assessor Ballard has said and use 96 cents per $100. So find your appraised value on your notice, multiply it by 0.25, and then multiply that number by 0.0096 to get your new county taxes. If you think your assessed value is wrong, you have the right to appeal, and the assessor's office actually encourages people to do it. So here's what you need to know. Have an actual case before you appeal. The board can look at your value and go one of three ways. They can lower it, they can keep it the same, or they can actually raise it if they think the evidence supports that. So before you walk in angry, ask yourself, what have comparable homes sold for in your neighborhood since January 1st of the reappraisal year? Listen, we are seeing appraisals that are $150,000 or more off of what actual home sales in particular neighborhoods have been. So I can help you out with that. Definitely reach out. So the appeal deadline is May 29th online. If you want to have me pull comps for you before you appeal and also provide them for you in PDF format, let me know. I can help you out with that. The appeal process in Knox County has multiple levels. First, there's an informal review. You contact the assessor's office directly. You can go online at this point. That's the only way that you're going to be able to do it. Does affect your home's value, what you should be paying, or you're thinking about buying or selling in this market. Give me a call or text at 865-761-9797 or visit MatthewParsonsHomes.com.